Welcome. This is a follow-up video to the previous video which showed you one way to group selected columns across multiple worksheets in the same workbook at the same time. Like the grouping feature, Excel is unable to ungroup selected columns across multiple worksheets simultaneously. We will now compose a macro to show you how. We will place it under our earlier group columns in all sheets macro. We will call the ungroup macro ungroup_ColsAllSheets. First, we need to disable the three primary Excel properties in order to enhance the macro's performance. The addition of error handling will allow the macro to overcome potential problems the macro encounters. It will enable the macro to ignore such problems in a worksheet and move to the next worksheet. Next, we must declare a couple of variable names and their type. Given we want to apply the selected column range, in order to ungroup columns across the worksheets, it must be stated in the macro. As documented in green, the macro will loop through all worksheets except the index sheet. As explained in the previous grouping video, it is necessary to first activate the worksheet before stipulating the range to ungroup and unhide the relevant columns in the macro. Once the macro has run in each worksheet, we want to place the cursor in cell A1 of the worksheet. Similarly, as soon as the macro has looped through all the worksheets, we will go to the index sheet and place the cursor in cell address A1. Given the macro is complete, we will re-enable the three Excel properties. In summary, here is the overall code, which will allow the ungrouping of columns across multiple worksheets. Let's test the macro. In this example, we must select columns D to G in order to successfully ungroup and unhide columns C and D. As we can see, the macro has successfully ungrouped and unhidden columns C and D.